Hey, good morning guys. So, welcome to another daily vlog. So, ngayon, pupunta tayo ng vet together with my little passenger at the back. Hey, Dollar, say hi. He's just sitting at the back of the car. So, pag nasa car naman siya, mabait naman talaga siya. Yan look ko. Dollar, say hi. So, ngayon, I'm driving off to the vet. Dadaling ko si Dollar ngayon, finally. Then, I have to rush back home kasi may 11 AM game ako ng tennis. So, yun na yung gagawin ko today muna. Then, let's see. Mamaya kasi I have to go to the office kasi I'm on field reserve. Pero, I have a lot of time naman to fix my stuff and chill around. Tapos tingnan ko kung makaka-jogging ako mamaya bago umuwi ng bahay. So now guys, come and join us ni Dollar at pupunta tayo ng vet. Hey Dollar, say hi. Oh, such a cute boy. Bait-bait naman yan. Behave lang sa car. Hey guys, update lang. So it's really raining so hard right now. I'm in the car na. I'm about to drive going to the tennis court kasi we have a game. So medyo running late na ako kaya I have to go. I'll see you in the court guys. The show must go on kahit malakas ang ulan. I think it's the first time na maglalaro kami na ganito kalakas yung ulan. Good thing it's a covered court. So sana hindi basa yung court and sana okay yung court doon na hindi pumapasok yung tubig. Anyway, it's a new experience for all of us. Grabe, sobrang lakas ng ulan. Good luck. Sobrang lakas ng ulan. I'm just looking forward for lunch kasi I haven't eaten my lunch yet. So, sana makakain kami after ng game. Ay, ganito talaga pag gusto mo talaga pumalo. Ay, kahit malakas ang ulan. Sige, tara pa rin. So guys, lahat kami nandito na. Isang friend na lang ang wala dito. Grabe, tumataas yung water sa labas. Buti na nagchinelas lang ako, hindi muna ako nagsapatos. Shit! This will be a great experience for us. Bring it on! So everyone's ready for the game. Bring it on! Ang lakas ng ulan! Grabe! Good sweat from tennis game. Say hi! Good game. Hey guys, so I just finished my set in tennis. Kaya ngayon, pahinga muna tayo. Jisoo is life. Thank you Jisoo for this invention. At nagagamit na ngayon dito sa court. So now my friends are still playing. As you can see, they're having doubles. Kaya yan, nood muna tayo, pahinga muna tayo kasi kakatapos lang ng set ko.
Ikaw? Kay Ayla?
Happy Litan! Bidagang!
Beef broth